Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Dom.
And I'm Tom.
And you're tuning in for another Snackcrate unboxing video.
Today's box is Israel. I don't really know much about Israel other than where it's at geographically. I really want to learn more. So if you see us try something or see something in our hands that we don't really know what we're talking about, which will happen.
Yes.
Definitely leave in a comment down below on what we're trying or what like flavor it is or something like that. Real quick rundown of Snackcrate. If you're new around here, it's a monthly subscription box that you could either order one or you could order a couple like us whenever you want. We kind of just order them whenever we want. And it'll run you about $15 US for this small one right here. If you want to get the drink package, which is $4.99. So if you guys want to see us try the drinks are always super crazy. So definitely stick around to the end to see us try the drink.
So from the title of this video, we are trying snacks from Israel. Now when you open the box, you are greeted with kind of like a pamphlet that introduces you to the country. When you open it up, it tells you some facts, some demographics, and it also includes a little like QR code to play some music from that country. So for example, a fun fact about Israel is that coffee and cafes are so good there that it's the only country where Starbucks failed trying to bring it into the local market.
Oh wow, I actually think I read that on the, like, when I got the Israel Snackcrate box, it said that on there, I'm pretty sure.
Oh really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Okay, so as you are opening up this box, they give you a little cheat sheet here that tells you all the snacks, what's on it. They give you a little expiration piece of paper, and then they give you the little sticker of the country that you're doing, and you just rip it open, and then we got some snacks in here, and it's packed to the brim, baby. Get that air out of there. Let's get this air out of there.
Yeah, they got it. Okay, we're gonna go with Bisli pizza flavored wheat snack. So it looks kind of like a pizza flavored cracker.
So far the best box we have, the champion right now is Japan, and we haven't met a box, well that was our last box that we did, and so far that's been the best one. So let's see if Israel can top that. There's your little snack. They look like little honeycombs, kind of.
They do.
Like they look like a little honeycomb thing. All right, cheers.
Cheers.
Those are pretty good.
They are.
They're solid. They're like a solid snack.
They kind of taste like croutons, too.
They do taste a little bit like croutons.
Yeah.
They're a solid snack. Like, I could snack on those. Like,
yeah.
They're not overpowering or anything crazy. Those would be, like, a good go-to snack for me. They remind me of, like, combos almost, too. Like, the pizza combos. All right, those were a good snack. I like those. I enjoyed those. Let's get to the next snack here. I'm going to pick, and we got Bamba peanut butter puffs.
Wait, where did we have a snack that was peanut butter too? Is that Germany?
Here is the peanut butter puffs. They look like Cheetos that you would have here in America, except I guess peanut butter. They have a little baby on the cover of the snack, so that's a little random.
They're popular in Israel, it says.
But Bamba peanut butter puffs by the company Osam.
La 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 Bamba.
La 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 Bamba. Hey hey. All right, they're gluten free.
Bamba.
Israel.
Israel.
Why do you sound like the dude from South Park?
Cartman?
Yeah. I'm just expecting a peanut butter Cheeto. Is that what you're expecting?
Yeah, it does smell like peanuts. Not like peanut butter, but like peanuts.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
I like how you grabbed your drink immediately. Those are good.
They're okay. You know I don't really like puffs.
You're not a puff girl?
Not a puff girl.
I'll eat it. So, if you guys were expecting a peanut butter Cheeto puff, it's exactly what it is. It literally...
But it's not overpowering, though.
No, it's really not
like
that
subtle.
overpowered. It literally tastes like a Cheeto, a puffed Cheeto with peanut dust, and like it just tastes like a peanut butter Cheeto.
Puff, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go with Oodles. Oodles. Okay, so they're by the brand Badat's Peskies. They're tiny, tangy, fruity chews. So they gave us a mix, green apple and blue raspberry. I'm gonna go blue raspberry.
Ooh.
Do you want blue raspberry?
I like green apple. So I guess we could just try each other's.
Yeah.
All right. So this is what the package looks like.
It's kind of like shaped like a bottle, so I think you're supposed to drink it.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. These are so good.
They are good. Want to try? What?
Alright, so your green apple.
Alright, you got a blue raspberry?
Okay. These are very good.
These are good. It's very chewy. Very chewy.
But the flavor is like great.
The flavor is really good. Like, I like the blue raspberry and the green apple is very good. They're not sour at all. They're very sweet. These are definitely the best thing in the box so far. These definitely get the big thumbs up from us.
Yeah, so pretty.
We will see you guys in a minute when I'm done chewing this because it takes a while. All right. After 8 years of chewing, we are back and ready to go for the next snack. So it is my turn, I believe. Here's the drink. We're going to save that for last, so you guys stick around for that.
Ah! What is it? Is that open? That's open.
Should we not eat it?
I don't know. They're trying to kill us! What is that?
It's a chocolate log.
Wait, is that the pesky Zan?
Mini chocolate log. So this is what we're eating right here.
Is that, wait.
We are very cautious to eat this because it was open already. It looks literally like a freaking wooden log. Do you guys see this? It looks like a lot of things, but it looks like a log. Ooh, it smells delicioso. Mmm.
It's sweet. Very sweet. It's like a milk chocolate.
That's good. Wow. This elite mini chocolate log, for me, this just beat the other one.
Yeah?
Oh my god, yeah. You know I'm a chocolate fiend. I love chocolate so much. And wow. That I love that.
Next, we will try Click In Milk Truffle. It's a sweet, crispy bar filled with creamy milk, then coated with a generous layer of white and milk chocolate.
Ooh, that sounds like for me.
Looks like there's like a little truffle.
If you guys hear some whining in the background, it's my dog whining because she wants to get involved in the snacks. Bar almost, as I'm flinging it everywhere. Oh, yeah.
I know.
Wow.
You are killing it with these sweets.
We have a guest visitor for the videos.
Come on, Lily.
We have a guest visitor for the videos. There she goes. When there's snacks, my dog is always going to be involved because she loves food. All right. Everybody say hi to the monster here, Lily. No, you can't have any of these snacks because there's chocolate. No. I'm sorry. I wish I could give you some, but you can't have any. Now, look at her looking for attention. What? I see you.
Can you see we're doing something?
Can you see we're trying to do video here, baby? Oh, this looks delicious. It's a Pesik Z-Man Big Bite milk chocolate bar filled with wafer and hazelnut cream. Oh, man. This box has really turned up a notch. What do you think?
It's turned.
Like, ever since those peanut butter puffs, like, it really has took another turn.
They have very good sweets.
They really do have, like, good chocolate. Like, it's way different than ours. It's so much more rich. This big bar of chocolate here. I'm going to take a big bite.
Oh, that crunch.
That is not what I was expecting. Go ahead.
It's like a Kit Kat, but with hazelnut. Yes.
Now, so far, this chocolate in this box has been perfecto. I've loved it so much so far, and I really...
Perfecto!
Why you gotta scream every video?
Shalom!
I just noticed that on the box.
Shalom!
The guy with the big beard.
Shalom!
Our next snack here is called a Fluffy Tuffy. We got a Fluffy Tuffy here.
Get that Fluffy Tuffy. The Fluffy Tuffy. The Fluffy Tuffy.
It's like a heart. I feel like we've had this for some reason.
I look like a mini Dove soap.
Ew. Dove soap? Is it a hard candy? You're probably meant to suck on it, but we just share. I'll put the whole thing though.
Oh, you're brave.
It does. It tastes like strawberries and cream. We only got a little bit. And it's just a big, like, chewy ball. That's as best as I could describe it. I will see you in like 8 years when I'm done chewing this one. Alright, so we are on to the final thing. We are on to the drink. Alright, what do we got this week for the drink?
It's in a different language.
Oh, it's got a peach on it. It's looking thick.
They're trying to kill us!
I don't know.
Alright, so it says it is a spring nectar made with real fruit. So maybe they aren't trying to kill us. We've included either the peach or a mango variety, so we probably got peach.
Oh, I'm glad we got peach. I like peach.
Me too.
Alright, here we go.
Shalom! Now you'll get mad.
Okay. For starters, it's not a soda, it's a juice.
Oh!
And it's delicious.
It's
I know exactly what this tastes like. So, for those of you that won't be able to taste this drink, I could literally tell you exactly what it tastes like, and I bet you she'll say the same thing. So for me, this tastes just like, you know those little fruit cups with the juice in it?
Oh yeah, I don't eat those.
You don't eat those? So you guys know what I'm talking about? It's a little fruit cup. They have like mandarin orange one. They have like a peach one. They have
the
those.
fruit cups where you open it and then the whole goes kaboom on the floor?
Yeah, when you open it and all the juice squirts out everywhere. Do you know what I'm talking about?
And you're like,
You're like,
and then
it
your
goes
teacher
everywhere.
gets mad and you're like...
And then nobody really eats it with a spoon. You just kind of dump it in your mouth. That's exactly what it tastes like. It tastes like the juice that's inside that. Alright, so that wraps up today's Israeli snack box. And it is Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's
get with your lover.
Day. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone out there. Belated Valentine's Day by the time this comes out.
And happy President's Day in the U.S.
When's that, tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Happy President's Day in
Happy
the U.S.
President's Day!
Alright guys, this box was awesome. Definitely, if you know any of these snacks or if you love them, leave a comment down below what your favorite was, what you enjoy, what we did wrong, what we did right. And we will see you guys next time. Bye!
Bye.